Hello everyone, good afternoon and welcome back to our another episode of real estate touring, and this project is located off New Alipur and Alipur. The project is one of the most coveted project in Alipur and New Alipur, with having a land parcel of freehold 5.2 acres. As you can see, this is our clubhouse just behind me. It's completely operational clubhouse and the project is located on main road with having excellent connectivity from nearest metro station. It's about 1.3 km from Rabindra Sarobar metro station and 2 km from Toliganj metro station. You can see this is our towers which are already delivered and handed over to the customers. We are having ample space in this project with having almost 80% open space. All are freehold land parcel. We are having total 6 towers in the project, in which we have delivered 4 towers. As you can see, this is tower number A4 and A3 which are delivered already, and we are coming up with new phase with 2 more towers with newly launched, and all the apartments are all 3 side open apartments, almost Vastu compliant with 50 plus world class amenities and facilities. Let's move. I will show you the cabana space and all from this side. So you can see this is our indoor games arena. You can see this squash court, and you can see these are the sit out zones we are having. And in this project we are also constructing a mandir space just in front of the gate. The project is located on main gate. From here seamless connectivity of central Kolkata and EM bypass. From South City Mall you can easily reach this project within 5 minutes of driving distance. From Jadavpur crossing is just 7 to 8 minutes of driving distance. From Toliganj metro station, just 5 minutes driving distance. From Rabindra Sarobar metro station, just 2 minutes driving distance. The project is having excellent connectivity from Alipur Zoo, and also Alipur Court is just about 5 minutes driving distance from the project. The project is having all ready to move in amenities and facilities. With this 20,000 square feet clubhouse space, we are having this kind of sit out zone, cabana spaces, and all the amenities and facilities are almost 70% ready. And the project is having 1.5 biga of lake, natural water body, which is inside this project. So I will go and explain you about the project on that side. Before that, I am just showing you this is the garden space. So we are having 80% open space. We are having 50 plus world class amenities and facilities. We are having 3 BHK with 2 toilets, 3 BHK with 3 toilets, 4 BHK with 3 toilets and 4 BHK with 4 toilets, and with servants quarter apartments. Our pricing for 3 BHK all inclusive car parking, extra charges, GST, amenities and facilities, starting from only 1.70 CR except stamp duty and registration, which is unmatched with any other competitive projects nearby to the vicinity. They are having minimum price range of 2.4 CR for a 3 BHK, but we are offering 1.70 CR all inclusive price rate in this location. And also we are having bigger size 3 BHK with 3 toilet apartment. You can consider that as a 4 BHK. One room will be around 120 square feet. So I am considering that as a 3.5 BHK. The pricing of that 3.5 BHK starts from only 2.10 CR all inclusive. And for 4 BHK, our pricing starts from only 2.5 CR, which is 2200 square feet. And the bigger size, that is 2600 square feet, pricing all inclusive 2.5 CR. For more details, please call us. And sorry, for bigger size, we are having pricing starting from 2.90 CR. So now come, I will show you the pond area and the other towers from that location. So you can see these sculptures and miniature models. So this is a barbecue zone. You can see it's completely ready to fit out. So you can have a barbecue party over here. So this is the barbecue zone, and we are having basement car parking, independent car parking, mechanical car parking, everything is there. We are having basement plus ground plus 18-story structure. So I will show you that. Come inside. So you can see this is our basement car parking space. From here you can entry and exit to the basement car parking, and this is the natural garden. You can have that kind of 2 gardens here. So let's come to the garden. So all the amenities, whatever you are seeing, that is absolutely ready to move. You can see children's park here. It's lovely, aesthetic, and plantations is so lovely here. You can see the herbal garden here. You can see all the bamboo trees, and just opposite to that, this is the natural water body of 1.5 biga of land area. We will be having a central fountain over here. So the boating facility will be also there in this project. So come and see. This is our garden area. So you can see how beautiful this space is. It's a green and clean environment, and you can see these are the cabana spaces. So you can see this cabana space out here. So we are having this kind of 3-4 kind of cabana spaces. This is meditation and yoga room space, and all the equipments and fixtures we are having. We are giving Italian marble on the living cum dining space. We are having all Vastu compliant apartment, all east-west facing apartments, and all the finishings and fixtures are with highest standards and quality. Come inside this. So we are having an open gym also here. So you can see this is our open gym space. You can have lot of quality time on this space. So if you want, you can enjoy with this lovely spaces. And this is the lotus pond. You can see this is the lotus pond, and also some other cabana spaces. So everything is so lovely and so uniquely decorated. You can see this is the musical space, open musical theater. You can see the space, the musical equipments is there. So this is the musical open amphitheater you can see, and these are the cabana spaces, and these are the tower heights. You can see these tower heights. So these are already completed and ready to move in. Sold out apartments, all are sold out in phase 1. So we are now coming up with 2 more buildings and towers. This is building number A1, which is under construction right now. From here you can clearly see that. So this is the under construction tower A1, and that will be A2. So these 2 towers will be coming up, and the handover time will be by 2027 December. As per RERA, it will be 2028 June. Now I have already told you about the pricing and all. So if you are really interested, please call us, because we are offering you some great discounts for very limited period, but the negotiation chances are very, very low here. But we will be offering you a great discount from our end. For keep supporting, for keep loving us. We are also giving you a special gift from MG Global side. So please contact us, please love us, support us, and also subscribe our other channels like MG Global Mumbai, MG Global Pune, MG Global Hyderabad, and MG Global Bangalore as well. Thanks a lot with having with us, and see you soon on my next video. And also see our other episodes, because we have already having 2000 plus apartments in Kolkata right now. So if you are really interested, please contact us. We will definitely guide you the best option in Kolkata right now. So thanks for watching, and thanks for having with us, and have a great day ahead. Goodbye and Jai Hind.